Guys, how are you? This is Peter Salasya. Just opened a new spa, and I want to look for very serious and professional, because as you see, this is a very serious thing. We have bought this machine. Yeah, this is manicure, pedicure. They are all here, and then the barbers will be here, and then upande wa salon will be this side here. So if you are there outside there, ukikuja na mtoto atakuwa nakaa hapa, wewe ukiservisiwa hapa, our office will be here. So I'm looking for someone who has experience in kushuka, a very professional one wa kunyoa na anajua kudeal na nywele ya wazungu. Ile inaitwa Coco. Yes, because this is a class. So Caucasian hair, alafu pedicure wa makucha, hata tuko na spa. Pia I have also a spa that up there. So if you know good at massage, so you DM me, then my PA will communicate to you. For my guys who are on Instagram, I'll be checking from today mpaka kesho to communicate directly to you through my DM on Instagram and on my Facebook account. You can just message your name there if you have the experience and you're the best. So, and then also on my TikTok, if you have my fan and you're also there, you can just DM me your contact, then my PA will call you. We're based here at Warwick.